In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the liquidation price using the Binance Futures Calculator for Bitcoin trading. Whether you're new to futures trading or just need a refresher, understanding your liquidation price is crucial in managing risk and planning your margin requirements effectively. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Binance app. Make sure you're logged into your account and navigate to the futures section. This is the area where you can trade futures contracts on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Once in the Futures section, locate the calculator icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This calculator is a handy tool provided by Binance to help you with various important calculations, including the liquidation price. After tapping the calculator icon, you'll see several options appear. Among these, you'll want to select liquidation price. This option will allow us to determine at what price your position would be liquidated based on your current leverage, entry, and remaining balance. Now that we are in the right section of the calculator, it's time to enter the necessary details. You'll need to input your entry price first. This is the price at which you have opened your futures position. It's important to enter the exact entry price to get an accurate calculation. Next, you'll enter the quantity, which refers to the amount of the cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin, that you're trading. Make sure the quantity reflects your current open position accurately. Following this, you'll input your balance, which is essentially how much you have on hand in your futures account to cover this trade. The balance you enter will affect the calculated liquidation price, so be precise here. Once all these fields are correctly filled out with your specific details, it's time to tap Calculate. This action will prompt Binance's system to run the calculations based on the data you've provided. After you perform the calculation, Binance will promptly display your liquidation price. This is the critical piece of information that indicates at what price level your position will automatically liquidate if the market moves against you. Understanding this price helps inform risk management measures, and here it empowers you to make adjustments if needed to ensure your account is protected against unexpected market moves. And there you have it. In just a few taps, Binance Futures Calculator helps you manage your trades more effectively, offering peace of mind as you navigate the often volatile world of Bitcoin trading. Remember, knowing your liquidation price is a key aspect of successful trading, helping you take calculated risks and plan your strategy better. Thank you for watching and happy trading.